Good morning. This is Subbu, your area director from BNI Mumbai Northeast region. We have another exciting person along with me, Sonika. She's from BNI Glory. And today we are going to celebrate her performance, the way she has been supporting Glory as a member. Also, her work is going into a lot of MIDC and a lot of industries. We're going to get to know more about her. So as I said, we are celebrating high performers, people who are new in the chapter, but they got engaged a lot, they're contributing well to the growth of the chapter. And Sonika, you are one of those. Thank you. Who has been invited today. So I would love that you introduce yourself. Give me your name, your chapter, category, whatever you can say, as short as possible, but also about your work that you're doing and what is so special about you.
Thank you, Subbu. Thank you for this opportunity. It's a great opportunity to be here today. I am architect Sonika Agarwal with 20 years of experience of architecture, and my category is architecture design and license. The chapter is Glory. So I am the doctor of buildings who will not just get you the approvals, but will get you the design and elevations and executed on site as well. So I expertise into MIDC areas where I, for last 10-15 years, I worked extensively, where I know their procedures of each document which we see just lying in the file. I know what that document means, and I can guide the plot owners of all MIDC areas. You start from Marol until Taloja, Turbe, Ravale, Wagle, Ambanath. I can guide them thoroughly about each and everything of architecture and approvals from the MIDC authority. That's what I have been doing for last 15 years almost.
I love that, doctor of buildings.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay. I never heard that before. So what's your vision for BNI and what is that one thing you're doing in BNI to achieve that vision?
See, I have written a goal on my BNI diary wallet that I want to achieve a business of 50 lakhs. And my step towards it is consistent one-to-ones and building relationships. So once I make a relationship, I make myself readable and connected to the person, business will automatically come. Not today, sooner, in near future. That's what mantra I'm using.
So I also want to ask you, what makes you contribute? You're a new member, but you're a high contributing member, wanting the chapter to grow. I see Glory literally having the inductions every week now.
Yes.
So what makes that magic for you?
See, I believe I really like, because I personally am a disciplined person, hardcore disciplined person, too much determined to, if this is scheduled, I have to do it, come what may. So, and the BNL platform is a superb designed platform, fully systematic and disciplined to teach you how to network and get more business. So this thing which I believe, I just propagate to other people. And that's why I get a lot of business, I get a lot of visitors and energy to the chapter.
How many visitors have you brought till now?
I don't remember the number, but every alternate week I have 1 or 2 visitors.
Wow, this is.
Today also I had 2 in the
I
weekend.
really want our people, all the members in BNI to listen to this. A new member almost every second week bringing one visitor. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, I want to ask you what kind of connects you want to ask people who are watching you. What's good for you to get you to your goal of 50 lakhs.
Yeah. So I would like everyone to get connected me to each one manufacturing unit owners which you've come across, maybe due to your where you are supplying your product, or you giving service, or you have someone who's coming across and they know someone, just one unit owner, because every unit owner will have some goof ups in the documents, and that's where I can guide them to get a new project as well.
What about relationship referral? Like our architect could connect to you, or even real estate, commercial.
Real estate commercials relationship connects when we talk about, I have real estate consultants who do the plot selling wala thing in MIDC areas, and another connect would be structural consultants who keep visiting regularly for one or the other needs, and where the manufacturing unit owners just keep building without approvals. So a structural consultant can tell, okay, this person is building something where I'm going as a consultant. So they can be a relationship connect for me.
Yeah, I know there is a very nice structural consultant in Emerald. Have you met him? I don't get his name right now, but I'll share the
Asit
connect with you.
Davde.
No, Ashtade is in Wizard,
Okay.
but there is an Emerald, and I have done a podcast with him also.
Okay.
But that is for JSW, and he did an amazing job. Very nice guy.
Thank you.
I'll connect that.
Surely. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, my last question to you.
Ji.
Okay, what is your favorite core value, which is from the BNI 7 core values? What is the core value, and how does it drive you?
Building relationship.
Okay.
नाम याद रहना चाहिए सामने लोगों को. That's what I do. One-to-one में my focus is to understand the business of the other person, get them connects. Even if they're not able to get connected, they'll never forget me. And they're gonna call me back.
Fantastic. So guys, here's Sonika, who is saying she's a doctor of buildings and she believes in building relationships so that they never forget. Yeah, I think that's an amazing goal that she keeps for her daily approach to networking. So Sonika, thank you so much for coming in. And I'm sure all the members who are watching you are going to bring business for you.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, Sagu. Thank you, everyone. And hoping to have lots and lots of business flowing.
Absolutely. BNI is a gold mine.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
and I always believe the deeper you go into this ocean, the more precious you are if you get out of this.
Yes. Definitely. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.